In this video, I'm going to show you how to register DeWalt tools for warranty. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the official DeWalt website, and then on here, you want to click at the very top right, and then click on Sign In. And then here you'll of course have to sign into your account. Now, if you don't have one yet, you can create it by clicking Create an Account over here, and this will basically allow you to create your account over here on the right hand side. It's very simple, takes a few seconds. Put in your info, click on Complete Registration, and then you will have to verify your email by basically just clicking a link inside your email. Once you do that, go to the sign in box here, type in your email and the password you chose down here, and click on Login, and this will basically take you inside your what they call it toolbox. Okay, so the DeWalt toolbox. Now in just a few seconds here, I'm going to be logged into this, and then in here you want to go to My Toolbox and click on Register a Tool. Now when you click on that, it's going to allow you to basically put in some basic info about your specific tool, and then you'll be able to register it for your account. So here you have to give it a tool a nickname. You have to type in the model number. So here basically you have to enter the model number. If you don't know what it is, you can just Google it. Serial number as well. If you don't know where to find it, you can just Google for your specific tool and it's going to show you how to do it. There's usually a lot of images on that. And then here you also have to type in your product date code. And if you don't know how to do all this and Google didn't help you, click on How do I find the model and serial numbers on my tool, and it's going to take you to a separate page where they're going to show you just that. Now here you also have to add purchase details. You can add proof of purchase or an invoice, which is optional, and then here you can select the place of your purchase, your purchase date, and then you also have to accept these registration terms and conditions, and you want to click on Register Tool. Now whenever you do this, you'll be able to go to My Toolbox over here on the left, and then from there you'll be able to see all your registered tools. Okay, so that's how easy this is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.